ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn wọ́n máa fẹ́ fi ara pẹ́ ìran Yorùbá. Àwa ní àǹfààní ẹnìkan sẹ́bí sí àwùjọ wa lọ́jọ́ títòní, and that is what we'll be doing, induction ceremony. I wouldn't want to be the one to sell them to you. That said, I'd rather give her the microphone to let us know what her journey is, and while she's here today. Thank you. You can introduce your name, yourself, your name, and your kiss.
My name is Kishana, and I'm here with my 2 children. This is King David, and this is Princess. So a few years ago, I was on a journey that I didn't know would bring me here today, but I'm happy to be here today. I happened to look at a picture of my grandmother and her sister. And I didn't know my grandmother because she passed away 6 months before I came into the world, but I wanted to know her more, so I looked at her picture and I asked to know more, to know her, to know about her. And what that led to is my mother, she took a African ancestry DNA test, and we're from San Diego, but my grandmother and her sister are from Mississippi, and that's they came through the Navy to San Diego. But once my mom took that test to find her African ancestry, it led her to Yoruba, and so I'm proud to have been to be a part of Yoruba. And what I also did was look up events for Yoruba people that I can show my children and that I can bring my mom to. And we had an event. There was an event that we went to this summer, and from there we learned more about the culture, and we were invited to come here to this event here, and I'm so grateful to be able to be here in your presence and meet you all. It's a real honor and privilege, so thank you.
Thank you very much. We are going to ask the president to give him this plaque, one after the other, so you can just take the first one. And I shall read. The first person is Kishana Christopher, and we have given her the name Omowale. Omowale's the tragedy has come back home. So Omowale is hereby recognized as a fellow Yoruba for having traced your ancestry to Yoruba land. Welcome back home. A round of applause. And the next person is Princess Dawn. We have given her the name Tokumbo. Came back home from the seas. That's the meaning of Tokumbo. Tokumbo is hereby recognized as a fellow Yoruba for having traced her ancestry to Yoruba land. Welcome back home. The next person, whose name is King David Don, has been given the name Adewale. A round of applause. Adewale is hereby recognized as a fellow Yoruba for having traced his ancestry to Yoruba land. Welcome back home. Ladies and gentlemen, the brand new Yoruba in this assembly, a round of applause. They have always been Yoruba, but now we are welcoming back our folks into the Yoruba family. They are entitled to all the privileges and honor that is due to Yoruba. They can build home in Yoruba land if they want to. They are entitled to that privilege and honor. Thank you very much. Mr. President, thank you very much. I love that song. Please play. This is a song for the occasion. Yes. Here are your. Wọ́n ní kí n sọ fún wa ní èdè Yorùbá torí pé mo ti sọ Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ṣùgbọ́n àwọn èèyàn wa wọ̀nyá sí.